This is a rudder head. Okay? It has 2 pintles. This is a cotter pin. It goes in a clevis pin and it opens up like a wing. This is a shroud adjuster. You can put it on different heights and tightnesses. And
is that the same as a turnbuckle on some of the bigger ones?
no, turnbuckle's different, but it also is a chain plate. Next, it's kind of hard to see, but that is a thwart.
What?
A thwart.
Thwart?
Thwart. It's like a seat.
Oh.
You can. You see it?
That's
Yeah.
neat.
Do they always go across that trunk here?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a
You
split
can-
ring.
You can sit on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes. This is a split ring. It looks like a key ring for your keychain. And it goes onto a clevis pin. But you also see them a lot of times on the chain plate or shroud adjuster.
Oh, okay, I see that, yeah.
Is that thingy?
What?
Is this
The key
that
ring?
thing?
Yes.
Oh. And what does it do? It makes
It
sure
keeps it,
doesn't,
make sure it doesn't come off.
doesn't come out?
Here on this little diagram are the buoyancy tanks. Here and here. It's all on the boat. It keeps the boat floating.
What is it called?
A buoyancy tank.
Oh yeah, I know.
Buoyancy. This is a rudder blade. It attaches to the rudder. What's the head? To the rudder head. Like so.
Oh, okay.
So that part is in the water and that
This
part,
part is in the.
yeah, that part is in the
Yeah.
water, that
This part
part's
is
on the
not.
boat.
Yeah. And it just attaches like that.
Okay.
Next, this blue line on the centerboard is called the centerboard line. It's to raise and lower the centerboard. You'd use that on different points of tack and hauling the boat out of the water.
So
Is it?
you need that especially when you're sailing by yourself
Oh.
or if you also sail with somebody else.
It's
So
usually
it's just-
always there.
It's this line, it goes from here around to there?
Yeah. But it's
Oh.
also this here. This is all one purchase system,
Okay,
and it's called the centerboard line.
alright. And so that would be the dagger board thwart?
No, that's the thwart.
The thwart,
Thwart.
okay. Okay.
This is a pintle in gudgeon. The little spike is a pintle, and I don't know if you can see it very clearly, but that little whole ring thing, looks like a fair lead, is a gudgeon.
Oh, okay.
That? Yeah, that's the spindle.
What?
Spindle.
Pintle.
Spindle.
Yep. and-
That. But that.
Like-
So it goes in there and then it hooks on there.
Yeah. This is a clevis pin, and the split ring and cotter pin. The cotter pin can go into the little hole right there, and you open it up like a wing. Or you could use the split ring and put it into the hole. On the shroud adjuster, it is that little pin right there, that pin right there, and also that pin right there.
Okay.
That pin
Yeah.
is this. Oh, okay.
Different sides.
Those jiggy thingy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So that's, okay.
You know that?
Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, I have to get my little whiteboard. Oh, I'm missing the pen. we're gonna play a little game. Okay, and whoever gets the item right gets a point.
Put it over there on the chair.
The chair's on the camera.
My duck's here.
Okay. What is this? Yes.
Clef's pin.
No, you're wrong. Yes.
That's a pintle.
And?
Gudgeon.
Yes. Okay. What is this? Yeah.
Dagger board.
No. Yes.
Rudder blade.
Rudder blade.
Yes. What is this? Shit. This. Yeah.
That's a
Come on.
split ring.
Yes. I dropped a few cards.
Coming from behind.
I dropped a card.
Oh.
What is this? Yeah.
Thwart.
No.
Oh.
Yes.
Buoyancy tank.
Yes.
Neck and neck.
What is this? Yeah.
Levis pin.
Yes. What is this? Yeah.
Shroud adjuster.
Yep. Oh, that's unfair. What is this? Yep.
Cotter pin.
Yep. This? Yeah.
Rudder head.
Someone's not passing. This.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me two.
Center board line.
Yes. What is this? Yep.
Thwart.
Yep. Okay, let's do it again. So we get them all right. Okay, you saw them. What is this? Yeah.
Pin.
What kind of pin?
Clever's pin.
Yes.
Hairpin.
What is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Split ring.
You are passing.
What is this? Pendulum.
Oh, that is a pintle and a spike.
No.
Oh. Hmm? What? No.
Anyone?
Gudgeon. Pintle
Gudgeon.
and gudgeon.
Yes.
What?
Pintle and
Pintle and
gudgeon.
gudgeon. Can you see the
Oh,
photo
yeah,
again?
that one. Yeah.
Look at the photo. Okay. Wait, what? Did I get the point to? What is this?
Cotter pin.
Yep. What is this not? Yeah.
It's not a thwart.
Yep.
I barely know what it is, and then he goes, what is it not?
What is this?
A shroud adjuster.
Yes.
Yes.
So we get bonus points if we tell you from which type of boat it's from.
What kind of boat do you think it is from?
420.
And?
CL-14.
No. And?
The other one you have.
Seal Echo.
Well, all the boats have them. Just try to find the exact same model. Laser too. Okay. Next is this. Yep.
That is a rudder blade.
Yep. Someone's catching up. What is this?
Buoyancy tank.
Yes. What is this? Yep.
Thwart.
Congratulations.
Sword. Okay.
And what is this?
Yeah, that is the,
And what is it connected to?
yes, that is the rudder blade that's connected to the
Two things.
thing.
Okay. It's a rudder head, it connects to a rudder blade, and it also goes in the gudgeon.
He has done this long, I am new at this. He has done this
You're
long.
doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, now give me what's its purpose. You could do it.
Okay.
What is this?
That is that clevis pin.
What does it do?
It prevents things to fall out of. It prevents, it holds one line into the shroud adjuster.
It's a fastener. Oh, you're right, but it's a fastener.
Okay. When he's done, I know how to sell.
What is this and what does it do?
It's a split ring, and you can use it with the clevis pin to keep the clevis pin from coming out of the shroud adjuster.
Yes. What is it and what does it do?
And you separate it.
It's a center board line.
What does it do?
It's to be able to pull the center board up when you're going on different courses.
Bonus points. Who can pull it?
The helmsman.
Both. Screw and flipper. But you got it.
Crew and skipper, not screws.
You got two. What is this?
You asked it already. That's your shroud adjuster.
What does it do?
It adjusts your shrouds. You can adjust your shrouds with it.
Yep.
Make them looser or tighter.
But can I also adjust my forestay with it?
Yeah.
Good. Don't say you guessed.
Sorry, no, I knew that.
What does this do?
That is a cotter pin.
What does it do?
You can use it similar to a split ring to keep your clevis pin from coming out.
Now, how do you fasten it though?
You put it through the opening in the clevis pin, and then you have to bend one of the prongs.
One or both?
Both.
You're a teacher's pet.
What is this do?
Yeah, that is the buoyancy tank.
Yep.
And that keeps the boat stable, prevents the boat from tipping.
No. Yes.
It helps the boat remain afloat if the cockpit gets flooded, especially if you capsize or turtle.
What does this thing do?
Oh, the rudder.
Yeah.
That's in the water that helps you to adjust if you go this way or that way or that way.
No.
It steers.
Yeah, it steers, but what else does it help you do?
You can use it to help paddle when there's no wind.
You could.
It helps you maintain directional control.
Yes, but it also helps your
When you turn
center
it.
of lateral effort, which you'll learn in bronze 4 and 5.
Oh, I'm still at, what do you call these things?
You both get a point for that.
Opti. I'm still in Opti.
What it is? What are the two things you can see on this diagram? Yeah.
You can see the, you see? You can see the rod.
Throb? What's a throb? You mean thwart?
Thwart, sorry. And you can see the boom. You can see the mast.
The two things we learned in the lesson.
Oh. You can see the buoyancy tank
And the thwart.
and the thwart.
Bonus question. What is there, but not there?
The skipper.
So you got the two.
There is no centerboard or centerboard line.
Yes. You got it.
There's no sail.
No, I was just looking for centerboard
There's
line.
no.
I was just looking for centerboard line.
Okay.
What? No talking in my class.
Sorry.
What does this do? You've
That's
answered enough.
Yeah, give another chance. The one in the back there.
Yes.
That is attached to the rudder blade.
Yes. But what does it do?
It prevents the rudder from falling off.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Oh.
But it
But what does it do? It
this
hooks.
hooks on to the back of the transom of the boat,
Yeah,
and you steer
you steer.
with it.
Yeah, but you don't. That is on top of the water,
This
and
is
the
on top.
rudder blade is in
In
the
the
water.
Unless you're capsized.
Yeah, no, but you cannot steer with only that.
No.
You need the rudder
You
blade
need the rudder
with it.
blade. And what is this fastest answer? Gets 2 points.
Gudgeon and a pintle.
Okay. Now I'm going to get you to grab, when I say go, grab as many as you can and explain about them. Okay, go. Okay, Wayne first. What do you have?
Okay. This is the centerboard line. It allows either the crew or the skipper to adjust the centerboard.
Yep.
This is the rudder blade. It provides when connected to the rudder head. It provides directional stability to control the direction of the boat. This is a cotter pin. It can be used with a clevis pin to keep the clevis pin in place. This is, besides being a boat hull, this is that is the thwart of the boat, centerboard thwart. It's used to keep the keep the centerboard. You can actually sit on it, but I guess it's used to keep the centerboard stiff. This is the clevis pin. It's used with the shroud adjuster to keep the shrouds attached to the hull.
Yep.
And this is the shroud adjuster, and it's used with the split ring here, the clevis pin, to keep the shrouds to the boat.
Yep.
I'm going now.
Eva, go.
This is a no. Now we'll come to that later. This is the buoyancy tank.
Buoyancy tank. Yes.
Buoyancy tank, and it prevents the boat from capsizing.
Yes.
This is the pintle and gudgeon.
Mhm.
Cushion.
Gotcha.
Gudgeon. That the rudder goes in?
Mhm.
No. Does
Yep.
the rudder go in here?
Rudder head.
Okay. Now this is the rudder head.
Yep.
Right. That goes in that thing.
Yep.
And it helps to steer
Yep.
the boat.
Know what the other one you had?
That's a ring.
What kind of ring?
It's a split ring.
Yes. And what does it do?
It holds on to the clevis pin.
Clevis pin? You mean clevis pin?
Yeah, what did I say?
Clevis pin.
And what is it?
Clevis.
Oh, clevis. Sorry. And it prevents the clevis pin from falling out.
Okay.
And he grabbed more.
Well.
Well,
Well. Doesn't matter how much you grab. Doesn't matter how much you know.
that's right. I start to understand it now better.
Really.
Yeah.
Where would you find the shroud adjuster on a boat?
On the front. I have seen those things on the front of the boat where the shrouds come together.
Shrouds come together.
Don't make fun
Don't make
of
fun
me.
of the other students.
See? It's on
Sorry,
the front of the boat.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen it there. And
Just the front?
on the sides.
Yeah.
On the back.
Where?
No.
Oh, not on the. Not on
No.
the boats.
On the sides.
Yep.
Yes.
Where would you see rudder blade?
On a rudder.
Rudder what?
You see a rudder blade attached to the rudder head.
And where would you see the rudder assembly in general?
You would see it connected to the transom of the boat.
Yep.
The stern.
And what would a bonus point? What would be attached to the top of the rudder head? Yeah.
Tiller.
Tiller and
Tiller extension.
yes. Wait.
Yeah. Well, doesn't matter.
Okay. Thank you for your participation in this class today,
Well, thank you for explaining it.
and we'll see you next week.
Thank you.